Hey everyone, want to export Google Analytics data? In this video, I'll show you how to download and save your Google Analytics reports step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Google Analytics account. Next, select the website property you want to export data from. Now open the Reports asterisk section and choose the report you want to download. You can export information like traffic sources, user behavior, events, conversions, and other important website data. Next, adjust the date range and filters to make sure the report includes the exact information you need. Look for the Export option in the top right corner of the report. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV, Excel, or PDF, depending on how you want to use the data. Click the Export option and wait while Google Analytics prepares your file. Once the download is complete, open the exported file and review the data to make sure everything is included correctly. You can also use exported data for custom reports, presentations, business analysis, or sharing insights with your team. Finally, organize your exported files and keep important analytics reports saved for future reference. And that's how to export Google Analytics data. By downloading and analyzing your reports, you can better understand your website performance and make smarter decisions using real data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.